Hey lovelies, you're welcome to the channel. This is Beginner Series with Cilla. Today we are going to draft an inseam pocket. So this pocket is best suited for skirts, dresses and trousers. This draft is basically like a template that you can copy and use irrespective of the figure or size. So if you follow exactly what I do, you get the same result and you can use it for anyone and everyone. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Go in from this edge of your paper 1 inch and square across a vertical line. Come down from the top edge of your pattern paper 1 inch and square across a horizontal line. Now along this vertical line, mark down 10 inches. And along this horizontal line, mark in 7.5 inches. So we're going to use this dimension to create a rectangle. So I'm measuring down from this point 10 inches and then measuring across from this point 7.5 inches. Now connect these points together to form a rectangle. So the pocket we're about to draft will be drafted within this rectangle, okay? Along this vertical line is where we are going to have our pocket opening. Moving on, come down from the top line along this vertical line, 1/4 inch. Now from this point, we are going to create the pocket opening. So measure down from this point 6¾ to 7 inches. So I'm using 6¾ inches. And then square in from this point a short horizontal line that is 1/2 inch long. So from this point to this point is the pocket opening. Now you are going to position your ruler to touch this point and this point. Okay? Now square down a diagonal line that is 3.5 inches long from this point. And then from the opposite direction, square in another diagonal line that is 2 3/8 inches long. Now position your ruler to lay on this intersection point and then square upward a diagonal line that is 1¼ inches long. Now go in from this intersection point along the horizontal line 2.5 inches and go upward from the intersection point along the vertical line 2.5 inches. So a quick recap of what we have done. The length of this line is 3.5 inches. The length of this diagonal line is 2 3/8 inches. The length of this one is 1¼ inches. We went in from this point 2.5 inches and we went upward 2.5 inches from this point also. Now the pocket opening is 6 3/4 inches. Now we are going to connect all these points together with a curved line. So you can either use freehand to do this if you can, or you can use your curve ruler. So I'll be using my curve ruler for this. Now place your curve ruler just like you see me doing and then connect these points together. So I'll be going light-handed first, and once I'm sure I have the perfect curve, I'll then go in deep. And that's it, guys. We have created a pocket template we can use for anyone and everyone. Next, add your seam allowance all around the pattern. So I added 1/2 inch all around the pattern. The only part I did not add seam allowance is the opening. Because of the sewing technique we're going to use, whatever seam allowance you are adding around the pocket should be the same seam allowance you have on your garment. Go ahead and cut out the pattern and then we're going to transfer it to fabric. The length of my fabric is 22 inches, while the width of my fabric is 18 inches. Now, place your fabric on fold like so. After folding, the length of your fabric becomes 11 inches, while the width becomes 9 inches. Now, place your pattern onto the fabric like so and then cut out. After cutting, you should have 4 pieces. So you need 2 pieces for each pocket. Next, indicate the right side and the wrong side of your pattern pieces. Now, 2 pieces goes to the left, while the other 2 pieces goes to the right. Now, I'm going to quickly show you how to attach the pockets to a dress. Place your dress on fold like so that both side seams are together. Now, mark your waist point along the side seam. Come down from this waist point at least 1 inch. So I am coming down 1 inch. And then place a tiny notch right on the side seam. So your notch should look like this. Turn the garment to the right side and indicate. So you're going to take 1 piece of the pocket and also indicate the right side. So remember, the right side of the pocket must be facing the right side of your garment. Okay? Now, take the front side seam and then take 1 piece of the pocket and attach the pocket to the front side seam right at the point where you have the notch and pin it in place. Now continue pinning the pocket to the side seam until you get to the end. Once that is done, we are going to repeat the same process for the back side seam. Now flip the garment around toward the back side seam. Remember, this is the right side of the garment. Now with right side of pocket facing the right side of the garment, you want to pin the pocket right at that point where we have the notch and then continue pinning all the way down until you get to the end of the pocket. Once that is done, take this to your sewing machine and stitch with 1/2 inch. Once you're done stitching, flip the pocket toward the seam allowance like so and give it a good press. Now, to make sure the pocket stays in place when the dress is turned to the right side, we are going to do an understitch. So you want to stitch as close to the edge of the seam line. So you are stitching on the pockets and the seam allowance together. You should have something like this once that is done. Now remember, whatever you are doing for the front side seam, you are repeating exactly the same for the back side seam. So whatever you did for the left hand side, you are going to do the same for the right hand side. The next step is to join the front and the back side seam together. So align the garment together on the side seam and pin. Now when you get to the pockets, you want to make sure both pieces are properly aligned edge to edge. And you also want to make sure that the understitch line on the front and the back pockets, they are properly aligned. Once you are sure the understitch line are properly aligned, go ahead and pin it in place like so. And then continue pinning from the top all around the pocket edge and all the way down to the hem of the garments. Now take this to your sewing machine and start sewing. Now, when you're sewing and you get close to the edge of the pockets, sew below the edge of the pocket with 1/2 inch. Raise your presser foot and pivot your garments like you see me doing toward the pocket, and then continue sewing with your 1/2 inch seam allowance all around the edge of the pocket. Now, once you get toward the pocket opening, you want to sew below the edge of the side seam with 1/2 inch. So sew down from this point 1/2 inch, and then raise your presser foot again and pivot the garment toward the hem. And then continue sewing all the way down to the hem with 1/2 inch. And that's it, guys. We're done with attaching the pocket to the dress. The last step is to finish the raw edge of your seam allowance with your overlocker. Turn it to the right side and give it a good press, and we are done. Alright lovelies, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you found this one helpful. If you did, remember to leave a comment for me, like this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed. And also follow me on all social media platforms at Cilla Si Travis. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Till then, keep creating and have a lovely day. Bye.